children, let's learn about air transport. Air transport is when people and things travel through the air using airplanes and helicopters. Examples of air transport. Airplane. Airplanes are big flying machines that take people and things far away, like to other countries. Helicopter. Helicopters are smaller flying machines that can go up and down in a straight line. They help with things like emergencies and looking at things from above. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloons are big balloons that float in the sky by using hot air. They are great for looking around and having fun rides. Glider. Gliders are planes without engines. They float in the air with the wind and are fun to fly. Drone. Drones are little remote-controlled planes that do lots of things like taking pictures from the sky, delivering packages, and helping firefighters. Here is a fun fact. Airplanes have wings that help them fly, and they are designed like a bird to move smoothly through the air. It's bye for now and see you next time.